Hello, this is Corey Graves with Jarvis Lighting, and today I want to talk to you about how do you successfully plan a project to use network lighting controls. This is not like the old days where we just go in and we put up a new light fixture, power it up, and we're done with the project. When you add network lighting controls to it, it takes a little bit more planning up front to make sure the process is going to be successful. In addition, you're getting this additional incentives coming from the utilities to make sure that you're implementing network lighting controls, and we're here to help you guys to make sure that's a success. The first thing is to really understand what the capability of the Jarvis Link software is. We're happy to have you come in. We'll train you on that so you know every aspect of the system and what it can do and what it can't do, and what kind of hardware you need to be able to accomplish the goals that you're looking for. Second thing is have that conversation with your customers. You need to go in and understand what they're looking for, how they want to implement the system. And again, with that knowledge of what the Jarvis Link system is capable of, you'll be a lot more successful in terms of that conversation. Once we get a project going on network lighting controls, we like to put in a map of the project into the software tool. If it's an exterior project, that's easy. We can grab a Google Earth image, throw it into the project. That way we can identify where all the poles are located, where all the fixtures are located, and it helps with debug effort down the line. The next thing is we want to try to break it down and determine how we want to group the fixtures within the project. So having that up front, doing some planning up front is going to help in terms of grouping those fixtures based on the feedback that you've received from your customer. And then also, how do you want those fixtures to behave within that group? We have different profiles that are defaults within the software. Some of them are occupancy settings, and then you can have them set to a certain time before they dim down and a certain time before they turn off. So we have a lot of different profiles that we can go through to set up those fixtures and how they behave. The other thing is we're happy to train you on how to use the app. Jarvis is very flexible. We can come out and help you commission the system yourselves, or we can teach you how to use the app and you can go out and commission on your own. The last thing is please visit us at jarvislink.com if you have any questions, you want to get more information. And lastly, I'd like to talk about my son, who's a freshman in college right now. He certainly will be watching this video and providing some critique to me on how I did. The same thing goes for him. Planning and preparation is going to make you more successful. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.